Hey guys, I will do a quick tutorial of this new software for pretty much AI avatars. So, for example, you've probably seen these videos and this one where you can change your face to match a video that's already existing. Like, let's say for a viral video, and based on that video, you want to use your own face for viral marketing, for example. So I'm going to show you a really cool software. You've probably seen it around. It's called Wan 2.2. So how you use this is you go into the software. So you can either go to Wan.video, which is the actual link itself, right? And you can create an account. So you can create an account here. You can also access it through Higgsfield. So Higgsfield also has the modeled here as well. So for example, I'm just going to log in and create an account with so what you can do, you can create your account here, or you can log in through Google, which I will do. So I'm going to log in through one of my accounts. Cool. So you can get pro version for $5. You can get premium for 20, or you can go free. So at the moment, we'll just use the free version for now. What you can do is you can generate through 2.5, 2.2. So you can get it to give you the frames that you want. So for example, I might want to grab, let's say we'll use this one. Right. So you can create a video here, 2.2, and you can go, okay, cool. It takes zero credits. Yeah, cool. So it's generating a so here we've got limits. So what you we can do is you can get this. Cool. What I would prefer to do is to download this as a open source where you can grab the videos as it is. As you can see, there's some really cool examples here, right? So there's different tones, different light sources. So you can do it that way. Right. So obviously what you need to do to install it, you need to use these commands to download that into terminal. And once you download that into terminal, you can get this up and running for yourself. And then what you'll get is you can even run it through Hugging Face as well, where you get a example here too. So pretty much what this whole thing will do is you'll get your image and then you'll get a video and then it'll merge the images together. So I'll just give you a brief example what that looks like. So I will share this video that I made yesterday. So this was a viral video from the Stephen Colbert show. So basically, obviously that clip's gone viral, and I just put my face or my image as that. So basically, 4 seconds of that. If you grab anything that's viral at the moment, you can do that for yourself as well. So I will go back to here. So you can go through here. So this is how you install it. If you're not too sure how to install it for yourself, you can leverage ChatGPT to give you the instructions step by step. That's what I tend to do when I'm downloading anything for terminal as well, because what happens is that you might get confused because it's too technical. But chat is your best option in regards to do this. So that's how you create avatar videos for yourself. Uh, I would also leverage HeyGen as well. So if you don't know what HeyGen is, it's also an AI avatar video generator, which helps you with being a spokesperson for your video. So this is for my client, one of my clients' accounts. And obviously what he's done is he's created a few draft videos here, right? And you can do the same. So what you need to do is you can create an avatar here. You need to follow the prompts to create the avatar for yourself. You can then add in voices, so you can do it through the platform, but I find that it's a little bit robotic there. Or you can do it through 11 Labs as well, where you have a variety of different voices that you can use. You can use templates, brain kits, etc. How you would do it for yourself. So, for example, you create an avatar here, right? And the projects, So, for example, you would grab a script, right? So obviously franchising is his script. So we'd use this as an ad, and then he can use that for his video. You can use these for tutorial videos. You can use them for ads. You can use them for marketing material. Whatever you want it to do, it can do it for you. And obviously, if you do want to automate this whole system as well, feel free to message me or contact myself, and I can create you a system for that. But this will get you started in having an avatar for yourself so that you get a second version of you. And I find it really works with consultancy businesses. It works for advertising through marketing. It's really good for anyone that's in the service business that wants to duplicate themselves because you can only do so much for yourself as well. So that's pretty much it. That's the short tutorial that I wanted to share with you. If you do watch the replay, be sure to ask any questions about it. But yeah, feel free to follow me for more, subscribe if you do watch this as well, and also we'll catch you in the next video. All right, see you soon.